So I believe most of you must have heard about the incident that took place in Jamaica, Montego Bay, where a so-called occult church had been sacrificing animals for some time now, and upon recently had sacrificed their church members, or at least some of their church members. And everybody have their own opinion, everybody is saying what they want to say. Especially the people that have been speaking violent and hateful of the people of God. You know, if you go to majority of people, they will tell you that they don't want to go to church. They hate church because of the people are hypocrites and the church members are not true of God, and they will tell you on and on why they believe going to church is not a good thing. And now I believe they were saying in their spirit that they have gotten a more justification or a means to escape their family members and friends that have been encouraging them to come to church. But I bet they can't escape God. I bet they can't escape hell. Hallelujah to Jesus. I know, my brothers and sisters, that these are the times that the true people of God have been tested, and we must stand up to defend the faith, to defend Christ, to defend His belief, to defend what we believe. Now is the time, my brother, to stand strong. I want to tell somebody this too, and tell especially the people that always criticize church and church members. This is not the last incident that would happen. I want to tell you, this is just a tip of the iceberg. There's many more to happen, and more horrible incidents are going to happen, and more horrible things that's going to happen. I can tell you that much. So this is just the beginning. But what is your reason not to come to God? What is your reason not to come to God? Many of us come to God and want to keep our baggage. We come with our baggage and we want to keep it. We love it so much we don't want to let go of it. We don't want to make change for God. We come with our baggage and we don't want to make change for God. We're willing to justify it. You know, we're willing to justify our baggage and reason why we believe we can still do certain things, and reason why I'm telling you, my brother, this world is obsessed and crazy. This world loves sin. Man loves sin. We all love it, but many of us are not willing to sacrifice our love to come to God in truth. Hallelujah to Jesus. Be blessed, my brothers, until we speak again.